Unlike conventional IR remote controls, our new RF remote control doesn't require line of sight to send commands to your AV receiver. Its radio frequency signals can travel through floors, walls and cabinets. You don't even have to aim the remote control at the AV receiver to operate it. Because the transmission is two-way, the receiver's display information is also shown on the remote control. You can perform a variety of operations, such as volume adjustment and surround mode selection, while checking the operating status right in your hand. What's more, you can operate other units that are compatible with the IR remote control simply by connecting them to the IR blaster. Pioneer's RF remote control makes it easier and more pleasant to operate your home cinema.